Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Imagine driving on a busy highway in 2027, when your car suddenly knows that a vehicle several hundred meters ahead has slammed on its brakes. Before you even see the danger, your car warns you, prepares the braking system, and may even help slow the vehicle down. This may sound like science fiction, but connected vehicle technology is moving closer to making this kind of communication possible. In the future, cars may not only use cameras, radar, and sensors to understand the road around them. They could also communicate directly with other vehicles and infrastructure to share important information. This technology is often called vehicle-to-vehicle communication, or V2V, and it could completely change the way we think about road safety. Today, most cars depend on their own sensors to understand what is happening around them. Cameras can identify vehicles, pedestrians, traffic signs, and lane markings. Radar can detect the distance and speed of nearby objects. Other sensors can help the car understand its surroundings. But these systems have limitations. A car can only detect something if its sensors can see or otherwise detect it. A vehicle approaching from behind a large truck, for example, may be hidden from view. This is where communication between vehicles could make a major difference. Imagine two cars approaching an intersection. One vehicle is coming from your left, but a building or another vehicle blocks your view. Your car may not be able to see it. With vehicle-to-vehicle communication, however, the approaching car could send information about its location, direction, speed, and movement. Your vehicle could receive that information almost instantly and determine that another car is approaching the intersection. Instead of waiting until the other vehicle becomes visible, your car could warn you about the potential danger. This communication would not necessarily require the cars to be the same brand. Different manufacturers could use standardized communication systems so vehicles can exchange important safety information. The goal is to create a connected transportation environment where vehicles understand more than just what their own sensors can see. Another important application is emergency braking. Imagine traffic suddenly slowing down because of an accident several cars ahead. The first vehicle detects the problem and brakes hard. The cars directly behind it may see the brake lights and react. But vehicles farther back may not know what is happening until it is too late. With connected vehicle communication, the information could travel from one vehicle to another. A car farther away could receive an early warning that traffic is suddenly slowing down and give the driver more time to react. This could be especially valuable on highways. At high speeds, even a few seconds can make a major difference. A warning received earlier could give drivers additional time to brake, change lanes, or prepare for stopped traffic. In some advanced vehicles, the system could also work together with automatic emergency braking and other driver assistance technologies. Cars could also communicate about road hazards. Imagine a vehicle driving over a large pothole. Its sensors detect the impact and record its location. That information could be shared with nearby vehicles. Drivers approaching the same area could receive a warning telling them to slow down or avoid the hazard. The same concept could apply to debris on the road, slippery surfaces, sudden flooding, accidents, or stalled vehicles. Traffic lights and other infrastructure could become part of this communication network as well. This is known as vehicle-to-infrastructure communication, or V2I. Instead of a car simply looking at a traffic light, the vehicle could receive digital information about the signal. It could know how much time remains before the light changes, when appropriate systems support that capability. This could help vehicles make smoother decisions and potentially reduce unnecessary stops. Connected infrastructure could also help improve traffic flow. If many vehicles are approaching a busy intersection, traffic systems could use information from connected vehicles to understand traffic conditions in real time. This information could help traffic signals adjust their timing or provide drivers with better route information. Over time, this could reduce congestion and make transportation systems more efficient. Another exciting possibility is cooperation between vehicles. Imagine a group of cars traveling together on a highway. Instead of every vehicle making decisions completely independently, connected vehicles could share information about speed, braking, and traffic conditions. This could eventually support technologies such as coordinated driving and platooning, where vehicles travel in organized groups with controlled spacing. However, communication between cars is not just about convenience. It also creates important questions about cybersecurity and privacy. If vehicles are constantly exchanging information, those communication systems must be protected from hackers and unauthorized access. Automakers and technology companies will need strong security systems to make sure safety messages are authentic and cannot easily be manipulated. There is also the challenge of adoption. For vehicle-to-vehicle communication to reach its full potential, many vehicles need to participate. A connected car cannot receive information from another vehicle if that vehicle does not have a compatible communication system. This means the technology may take years to become widespread. Governments, automakers, technology companies, and transportation agencies will all have important roles in creating common standards. It is also important to remember that connected cars will not eliminate accidents completely. Communication systems can fail, sensors can make mistakes, networks can experience problems, and drivers can still make dangerous decisions. The safest future will likely combine multiple technologies. Cameras, radar, lidar, GPS, vehicle communication, infrastructure communication, and human awareness could all work together to provide a more complete picture of the road. By 2027, we may begin to see more vehicles with advanced connectivity and communication capabilities, although the level of adoption will vary by country, manufacturer, and vehicle model. The biggest change may not happen all at once. Instead, connected vehicle technology could gradually become another layer of modern automotive safety. The idea is simple. Cars already have the ability to see. In the future, they may also have the ability to share what they know. One vehicle could warn another about a danger it has already detected. A traffic light could communicate with approaching vehicles. Road infrastructure could share information about hazards. And transportation networks could use real-time information to manage traffic more intelligently. The car of the future may therefore be more than a machine that takes us from one place to another. It could become part of a massive connected transportation system where vehicles, roads, traffic signals, and drivers constantly exchange information. If this technology develops as expected, communication between cars could make driving safer, smarter, and more coordinated. The roads of the future may not simply be filled with smarter cars. They may be filled with cars that understand each other. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.